everybody, and welcome back to Embrilliance. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we're going to be doing something really cool in Embrilliance, and it's kind of like a sneak peek into what we're going to be working on in Embrilliance. Now, you guys know that Embrilliance has shapes. There's tons of shapes. There's tons of things you can do here. But did you know that there is an add-on pack to this? Now, if you have an Accuquilt, you will be so happy to know this. And it was priced really well. I think it was only $59 for the pack. And these are ones that you would use in embroidery. And they are fantastic. So, Accuquilt, for those of you who don't have Accuquilt is a cutting system. No computers, no things to learn, no anything. It's dies and it's manual. You can get a small one, you can get a medium one, and you can get a very large electric one. So depending on your budget, and you purchase the dies to use for quilting, but I want to make it a little more mainstream that we can use it for embroidery. And I have had so much fun doing this. I can't tell you guys how much fun I've had. Now, Embrilliance is licensed to be able to use these designs. So I'm just going to show you quickly what you can do. Now, each one of these are dies that you can purchase. So if you have the cat one, you can use it. I'm going to show you my favorite ones. Of course, holiday. Nobody can be that surprised. I have this snowman. It's called Holiday Accessories, but if you look, these are all kind of snowman pieces, aren't they? So exciting. I don't have this one. I would love it. But I do have the pumpkins, and I do have cat and bat. So I think pumpkins and cat and bat are probably my favorite so far. So we're going to click on them. And this is exactly what the die looks like. So if you want to do 3 pumpkins, you can bring them all in. Let's just bring in one. Now, this is fantastic. The only thing is you can't resize them. The benefit, the complete benefit, is you can cut out 6 at a time. And you can do them forward facing, you can do them reverse facing, and you can just cut them and you can put them together so quickly, and you will be so surprised with what we can do for it. So again, there's no computer, there's no program, you don't have to export, bring it over. You decide on a die, you cut it. I will be showing you guys all of this. And then in Embrilliance, we already have all the shapes done perfectly. So you do not want to resize. It is set up as applique. So what we can do is just change the stitches to whatever you like. You can add to it, you can separate them, you can do different things. I really like the zigzag, and none would be not cool. So E-stitch seems to be my favorite one because it's so precise, and you can get this precise with pre-cut design. So there's no trimming in the hoop. There's nothing like that. There's only placement. Now, for ones like the pumpkin, I use just a little bit of spray for it, and I find that works. But one like the cat that has a long tail, I'm going to suggest that you use the fusible stuff. So all you have to do when you are stitching this out, and we can add pumpkin faces, we can add it into designs. There's so much we can do, and we will be working on this because I think anyone who does embroidery is going to absolutely love this. So it's awesome. So it will stitch out the placement line, and then you take your pre-cut fabric, so it's already cut, there's no trimming in the hoop, there's nothing like that, and you place it down. A little bit of temporary adhesive spray, or you can fuse it. So then you would just iron it on. Just take your hoop off of your machine, don't unhoop it, and iron it on. And then it is going to put the E-stitches down, or satin stitches, or anything you want. So when you're designing it, you can click on this and you can see the fabric preview. Now the fabric is going to be the same color as you've chosen here, but you can change it. Let's change it up here, and even that you can get a great idea of what it's going to look like. So now we have our base for our design. Obviously we need a bigger of a hoop for it, but I'm not going to be working with it today. I just wanted to introduce Accuquilt to all the embroiderers out there and see if we can make this a big thing. I will show you guys everything I know about it, and it's so much faster now that Embrilliance is licensed for it. So let's get working on this next week and come up with some really, really good projects, and you will be surprised at how fantastic the whole system, Embrilliance plus Accuquilt, is, and you guys will love it as much as I do. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There'll be more Embrilliance videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video to let me know that you want more videos just like this. Don't forget to join the Facebook group called OML Embroidery University. There is always lots going on in that, and you'll be able to post your homework once we get working on things. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!